Intrigued by the next frontier in fashion technology? From digital fashion to the future of AI trends, join us on this exciting journey as we bridge the gap between technology and style. Find out. Welcome to the 360 Fashion Podcast, where you'll get the week's top most important news items in the realm of fashion and technology. I'm Anya, your host from 360 Fashion Network. I read hundreds of news items from fashion, augmented reality, virtual reality, wearables, robotics, textile innovation, and futurism every day. I choose the most critical items to summarize for you, saving you time so you can focus on your business. Listen and subscribe to receive this roundup regularly. Now let's jump right into it. First, ASVOFF 16, blending the reels of fashion and film into future narratives. ASVOFF 16 captivated audiences with a unique blend of fashion and film, showcasing groundbreaking talent in a festival that has become a beacon for innovative storytelling. The festival's partnership with Goldfinch Academy brought to life a mentorship prize, offering new voices in the industry the chance to refine and develop their short films into feature lengths. Thematically diverse categories highlighted at the event proved fashion's potent role in cinematic expression, pushing creative boundaries beyond the expected. This celebration of fashion films signaled a trend where wearable tech and AI could soon be the stars of similar festivals, presenting garments that not only inspire aesthetically but also narrate, interact, and transform on the silver screen. News source: A shaded view on fashion film. KidSuper Fashion Week 25 at Paris Men's Fashion Week. KidSuper Fashion Week 25 debuted a groundbreaking collaboration between Colum Delane and artist Daniel Wurtzel, blending kinetic air sculptures with bold, experimental fashion in a performance art setting. The collection explored themes of transformation and uncertainty, with Delane balancing KidSuper's playful DNA against subdued textures and tones for introspective storytelling. Collaborative highlights included pieces co-created with Bape, Wildside Yoji Yamamoto, and others, showcasing innovative designs like a coat that transformed into a hammock. This show reimagined the intersection of art, fashion, and performance, hinting at a future where wearables could merge technology with storytelling, creating immersive emotional experiences. News source: JT Dapper Fashion Week, turning to technology to build more houses. Explored the revolution of 3D printed homes, highlighting how Icon, with its fleet of 11 printers, successfully accelerated construction, producing 2 homes weekly without waste and reimagining design possibilities. Highlighted the energy efficiency of these homes, with instances such as Wolf Ranch, where February's electricity bill stood at a mere $26, showcasing the potential for sustainable living. Addressed the challenges around the absence of established building codes for 3D printed structures, underscoring the hurdles faced in Michigan where additional concrete reinforcement was required. Linked to fashion technology through the innovative use of materials and construction methods, mirroring the fashion industry's move towards more sustainable practices and materials. This shift towards utilizing technology in building aligns with the fashion sector's exploration of new textiles and techniques to reduce waste and energy consumption. News source: CET Connect. Microchip Manicure turns your nails into business cards. Discovered a groundbreaking beauty innovation where Microchip Manicures transformed fingernails into digital business cards, creating a buzz in Dubai's tech-savvy circles. Watched as a simple tap of a chipped nail against smartphones enabled instant sharing of personal data, revolutionizing networking in both casual and professional settings. Notice the seamless integration of technology into personal aesthetics, as wearers adorned their nails with tiny chips without compromising style or comfort. Saw a direct link to fashion as this tech brought a new level of functionality to personal adornment, much like smart jewelry and interactive garments, blurring the lines between tech and fashion accessories. News source: Chip Social. Loro Piana launches blockchain traceability program. Unveiled a pioneering blockchain traceability program, letting customers trace the journey of Loro Piana's signature wool garments from farm to boutique. Integrated QR codes into 20 exclusive garments in the Palo Alto store, offering a digital passport that authenticates and shares each item's unique heritage. Collaborated with Aura Blockchain Consortium to merge luxury fashion with cutting-edge technology, ensuring transparency and sustainability. Enrich each piece with an exclusive digital artwork, blurring the lines between tactile luxury and digital exclusivity, echoing the fashion industry's embrace of technology to enhance the value and narrative of each item. News source: The Impression. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.